Peace lily problems. Peace lilies are well suited to offices, hospitals, rooms and homes because they produce showy flowers and foliage with very little care. The few problems that come up are easily corrected. Failure to bloom. Plants that don't get enough light often fail to bloom. Peace lilies can't tolerate direct sunlight, but they need bright indirect light. Plants that need repotting may also fail to bloom. Repot peace lilies every spring to refresh the soil. Yellowing leaf margins. Peace lilies are sensitive to magnesium and iron deficiencies. Use a complete houseplant fertilizer that contains magnesium and iron according to the package instructions. Brown leaf tips. Overwatering and over-fertilizing cause brown leaf tips. Water only when the soil is almost dry. Use a fertilizer labeled for houseplants according to the label instructions. Insects. Mealybugs, mites, scale and thrips feed on peace lilies. Use an insecticide labeled for houseplants as directed on the label. Some insecticides aren't safe to use indoors. Insecticidal soaps are effective against mealybugs and scale, and insecticides containing neem oil are effective against mites and thrips. Several manufacturers produce insecticides that contain both insecticidal soaps and neem oil.